Well, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the service due indicator of a Jeep Grand Cherokee 2012 model. When we turn the ignition on, there is an indicator that says service is due. I resetted that so it's not visible anymore, but I'm going to show you in a very short video how I did that. Okay, let's start right away. First of all, press the ignition on by pressing the start button twice. Let all the extra lights go off. Then we have to press the accelerator 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Let go the accelerator. Press the brake button. Start the car. Stop the car again and do the check by pressing the start stop button, and you'll see that the indicator that says service due is disappeared. So once again, first step is ignition on by pressing the start stop button twice, then press the accelerator 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then release the accelerator, press the brake button, start the car, stop the car and do your check. Once you have done that, you'll see that the indicator that says service is due has disappeared. That was it. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.